Some of these options were just not good enough. They were either not long enough, not good for breastfeeding here. This one wasn't really good for going out. This one, it was for like just a coat, but what would you beneath? So these were some of the issues that I looked at and I thought there must be something better than this. There must be something that was available that you could wear when you're going out, if you're wanting to look a little bit more special, a little bit more nicer. It wasn't just plain colors, because as you know, clothes that are comfortable, practical, sorry, my son's in the background, clothes that are practical, nice to wear, and really makes you feel not like an outsider, something that you could still look great in. It has an amazingly positive effect. Some of these